Hey, what would 420 be like if I didn't talk about marijuana stocks? So party on, Garth. That's how old I am. So, so looking at here, this is MJ, and I'll talk about some of the other ones. Last time I got, I got involved in these was in the fall here. You can see where I had green arrows. I took a trade, and this is the areas in which I was going to cover, and did, and then I moved away from them, and I was just focusing on other trades, and but I want to come back to this because I think the growth is is out of these stocks, and I'll show you Tilray in a second, and I think this ETF here is going to come down 50%. We're going to come down and challenge this low here at the end of December. There's no barriers to entry, zero barriers to entry to get into the marijuana game. And Modelo went ahead and made an investment into Canopy Growth, but why wouldn't Anheuser Busch or Philip Morris just go ahead and just build $100 million worth of greenhouses and get in the game themselves instead of paying outrageous amounts of money to an overvalued marijuana company. And then in addition to that is that we have the black market. So they can't really raise prices either because people are just going to go right around them. And the more, this is Canada and the US is not going to be any better, the more they slap on regulation. This is not like tobacco where there's a whole lot involved, in terms of getting a product to market. Marijuana, you can, you could grow 100 plants tucked away anywhere, easy to prepare, and guess what? You're in the black market marijuana business, and now you're running around with marijuana. They're not even arresting people for it anymore. Is that they just created competition for themselves, and so this whole story is going to just implode on people, and most of the people involved in this stuff are momos. Are trying to look for the next big growth area, but I'm telling you, it's over. And here I'm going to show you Tilray here right now. Check this out. And this is what's going to drag everybody else down. This company's still worth over $1 billion in market cap, and it's losing money like crazy. And I'm going to go back out even farther to show you like a weekly. Okay, this is what a collapse looks like. Yeah, ignore these. They're not optimized for weekly. So, but here's the money flow on this thing. Okay, so people lost interest in this thing. Okay, for sure here, and we're going to come back down. This is Eiffel Tower. We're going to come right back down and test these $20 area. This is going to be a 50% drop, and so I would stay away from the marijuana stocks unless you're a nimble trader. And then here's Canopy Growth, showing a nice little inverted head and shoulder here. I mean, not inverted head and shoulder, inverted hammer. And so now we're looking here toward to drop below 39.50, and I would short the heck out of it. My dog's complaining because my wife's outside, and so I wouldn't be too excited about these stocks, and we're gonna have to look for growth somewhere else. It's not gonna be here. And when the momos come out of this thing, it's gonna be quick and it's gonna be bloody. So just FYI, thought I'd share the good news with you. So welcome to your high is coming off and you're coming into a crash. Have a good one. Bye bye.